All right, everybody, how's it going? Have you ever wanted to calculate statistics for parking citations in New York City specifically? Well, we've got the tool for you. We've designed Ticketmistress, which loads a large data set of parking violations in New York and then uses two different data structures to organize that data and then calculate statistics on it. We're using Bongo tree, which is not really a tree, we just didn't have a better name for it, and Bongo hash map, which is in fact a hash map. Here we can see Bongo hash map, which is quite simple. We've just got a vector of vectors and some functions for querying the data structure. Here we've got Bongo tree, which is more of a multi-set than a tree, and we've got insertion and querying. Jeevan.
So when it comes to the SFML features of our program, you can pick between Bongo tree or Bongo hash map, and this will be the data structure that the program will use on that run. So we'll go through with Bongo hash map first. And here we have 5 boxes that are state, make, model, color, and year. These will all be, these all represent one of the factors that we're varying in order to compare the percentage of the inputted car to all the violations that we have in our data set. So as an example, we will take New York here, and then for the make, let's use Honda. And then for the model, a 4-door sedan, the color, black, and year 2015. So all of these are drop downs so these are all pre-made responses that we expect. And here we take input that is checked to make sure it is a year value that is within acceptable ranges. And then here on the right side, we mark which variable we want to be able to variate. So if you put an independent variable next to state, this will give you a list of, this will give you the percent of these four factors being the same but across all states. That is what the independent variable represents, and you can pick more than one. The x represents it being an independent variable, and if not, it'll be dependent. So then, only after 5 inputs and at least one x has been put in, will we be allowed to submit and move on to the next screen, which will display up to 8 cases of said parking violation, or the closest ones that the program can find, as well as the percent chance that the inputted car will get a ticket out of all the cars with all of the inputs. So here, 97.3% means that out of all of the 4-door black Honda sedans from 2015, 97% of them were from New York, which tracks because it's New York City. Here we can vary the color, and we see that black Hondas from New York are less of a percentage of the total. Yeah, we have silver and gray available, showing multiple different kinds of data points being brought through by the query or the get cases function of either data structure. Now, to show that the other data structure does the same thing, we're going to have to rerun the program, in which we now can pick Bongo tree as the data structure to be using. So here we can input the same parameters and end up getting the same percentage.
Here we will use our amazing typing skills to fit within the time limit for the video. Let's see here. Let's go. Come on. All right.
And here we get the same exact percentage, as well as the cases that come up again. And what varies here is our state, showing Pennsylvania as one of the other cases.
Because this is a different data structure, and thus the data is ordered differently. Thank you
for participating in Ticketmistress.
Okay.